Welcome to day 7. You've made it to the final step of this digital deaddiction journey. But this isn't an ending. This is a new beginning, a chance to consciously rebuild your relationship with technology, not through guilt, not through fear, but through awareness, clarity, and choice. You don't need to reject technology. You need to reclaim your role as its master. Today, we design a digital life that nourishes instead of numbs, that supports instead of steals, that you don't need to escape from. Get comfortable. Let your hands rest on your lap or heart. Close your eyes and let yourself arrive. Take a deep inhale through the nose. And exhale fully through the mouth. Again, inhale a sense of clarity. And exhale any lingering digital fog. Let your breath become the blueprint. Let your stillness become the soil for a new digital rhythm. Ask yourself honestly, what's worth your most precious resource, your attention? You only get so much of it each day. And the way you spend it shapes your mind, your time, your life. Does doom scrolling serve you? Does endless comparison grow you? Do 200 notifications make you feel connected or fragmented? This isn't about deleting everything. It's about defining what matters. You're not anti-technology. You're pro-conscious use. Let's lay down some powerful new foundations. Here are 5 habits to help you rebuild. First, start your day screen-free for the first 30 to 60 minutes. Let your nervous system wake up naturally. Use a timer, like the Pomodoro method, for focused work blocks. Silence all distractions. Let your brain experience deep focus again. Create tech-free zones in your home, your bedroom, dinner table, or meditation space. Let these places become sacred again. Replace screen time with slow social time. Real conversations, walks, shared meals with presence. End your day with a nightly digital sunset. Power down all screens at least 1 hour before bed. Let your body reconnect with rest and rhythm. You don't need all 5 to start. Even one is enough to begin the shift. Now, let's imagine your ideal digital day. You wake up peacefully, no screen, just breath and light. You stretch, journal, sip something warm. When you do check your device, you do it with intention. You create before you consume. You pause before you scroll. Throughout the day, you take micro breaks. You move your body. You look outside. You breathe. You use tech to support your values, to learn, to connect, to build, to share, not to escape or numb. And by evening, you wind down gently, returning to your body, your people, your peace. You feel proud because your digital life is aligned with your real life. Breathe into that version of you. Let it imprint. Let it guide you forward. This 7-day journey was never about rejecting the world. It was about reclaiming yourself. You've practiced awareness over autopilot, breath over reactivity, movement over stagnation, creation over consumption, connection over performance. Now you begin again, with eyes open, with heart steady, with attention sacred. Let's close together. Inhale deeply. Hold. And exhale slowly. Repeat silently. I design my digital life with intention. I choose presence over distraction. I am free to live aligned, aware, and awake. Your digital detox becomes your digital design. And this is only the beginning.